Alright, last time I made a video here in the art district. This is where we brought it to an end. So I'm gonna continue going this way, see what we can find. And then I'm gonna make my way back to my car. Thank you for joining me today in this video, this other video, downtown LA. We're in the art district area and mostly what we can capture. Consider subscribing to the channel so you can see future videos of downtown LA. So you can get, I like this car here, it looks pretty cool. I don't know what kind of car it is. It's a BMW. It's a sweet ride. It's a sweet car. It's awesome. So yeah, let's take a quick walk through this area. Hopefully it's in focus. Okay, I'm gonna bring my aperture to 6. Aperture is 6. I see a gentleman that's coming with his dog. If I see a good spot to take a picture of him, I am, but this street is packed with cars. Oh, he stopped. Right here will be a good spot right here. If we can get him through there, we'll see. I'm gonna wait a little bit. Kind of looks like Peter McKinney a little bit. German. He's not even looking. Alright, we took that reflection photo. It looks decent enough on my camera. I'm gonna go on the other side just so I can take a picture of this car real quick. I switched to manual mode real quick just so I can have better control of the photo. And here is 6th Street where we started the previous video. I was a little slow on that one. I just want to take some photos here of the construction that's going on. It's a mayhem. So this will be the entrance to the bridge right here, to the 6th Street bridge. It is chaos right here on this one right now. And here you have them working right now. Let me take a photo of them. We got a photographer there. You get any good photos yet?
How about right there?
It's a good one, huh?
Oh yeah.
You just reporting?
Oh yeah.
All right. How long have you been out here? Okay.
Well, we're gonna do what we gotta do.
Yep. Gotta do what we gotta do.
Right here.
They said they want it done by December.
No, no. It'll be done by midsummer.
Midsummer. Oh, nice. Midsummer. I talked to one of the guys.
This thing is on budget, ahead of schedule.
Oh, nice,
After
nice.
6 years.
What's your name?
I'm Pete Demetrio. I'm with Canon X1070.
Oh, okay.
And I was here when they shut it down to begin the demolition 6 years ago.
Can I take a photo of you?
Why? Why ruin good?
You know? 2, 3. Nice. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Why ruin good pictures on someone so ugly?
Hey. True. Have a good day. Oh, that's a good interaction. We had some of the responsibles for the bridge. ¿Para cuándo? Julio? Ya mero. Oh, this is a cool shot right here. I'm just gonna wait till it clears out. So we can capture one of the driver. That's cool. Now I'm glad I came this way. Hello. Good morning. Hello. That guy was reporting everything that's going on. See, the construction worker told me December. This guy, which is reporting, said that it's gonna be done by midsummer, July, and the two workers said July. So wow. Wow, that's pretty cool. I'm gonna take one more from here and we'll call it a day. Well, I'll take one more from here, but I'm gonna continue walking. This car, let's take a picture of this car right here. There we go.
You like taking your life in your hands, huh? Worked out okay.
Huh?
It worked out okay, I see.
Yeah, I was being cautious. I'm like, by the midway, I'm like, oh shoot, I should have gone on this side. I feel like I want to go take another photo somewhere over there, but I think I have enough. And there's another photographer right at the end over there. Gonna increase our. There we go. Maybe one of the workers there, if you can see has the best and everything. But anyways, this video took a turn unexpected. I wasn't planning on going this way, but I'm glad I did. I got to see more of the bridge. This staircase is clean. It was super dirty last time. So we're taking a photo of that. But yeah, with this last photo, we're bringing the video to an end. Hope you enjoyed the video. Consider subscribing. These videos do take a long time to make. That's a lot of hard work editing. And yeah, I hope you got to see another side of LA that you haven't seen. And I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed the photos too. I really enjoy being out here. I wish I could stay all day out here taking photos. Probably just simply can't. I have other things to do. But yeah. hit the subscribe button. Help me out, please. All right, we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.